guys, today I'm gonna be making a quick video to review these amazing hanging laundry hamper bags I got a few weeks ago on Amazon. I'm gonna be talking about the things I really like about them, and by the end of this video I'm also gonna talk about the one thing I don't really like and I think you guys should know before you purchase it. So I really like the design of it. I was looking for something that I could hang on the wall. I know this is supposed to be hanged on the door. They even come with the hooks and everything. So you can choose to put it on over the door, or they also give you some stickers so you can stick on the door and hang the hamper. But I really wanted to put it on the wall, as you can see, and they worked. So you can do both ways. You can do it on the door or also the wall, which was my choice. They have been holding up pretty well. The fabric is made of Oxford, so it's very easy to wash. And like I said, I really like the design. It's very convenient just to throw your laundry on the inside, and it also comes with a zipper on the bottom. So you can just, unzip it and throw all the laundry inside of the washing machine. It's super easy. Like I just literally just grab it with one hand, come over here, unzip it, and throw everything inside. So I really like this. And the one thing I don't really like about them is that I feel like they're kind of small. This is the large, and to me, this is still a little bit small. I wish they were bigger, but overall this is a great idea and I love them.